Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make text bold and italic font to a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this text box and double click on your text box and open drawing tool and see this. Again double click on this text box. Now you can drag or select a specific text and line. Now click this three dot option. Here you will find this bold option. This text now already bold italic. I remove and again I will make it bold and remove this text bold and italic font and make it italic. See this. Also I'll make this text bold. Also you can apply bold and italic same time, bold and italic. In this you can make your text bold and italic and finally select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.